Hi guys, I would like to show you how to work with material masters and material instances. I think it's one of the most important functions in Unreal Engine because you can save a lot of memory and you can create a lot of variations without any problems. So let's get started. I've prepared some model. It's force from the chess, and let's copy it 4 times. Use 4 material instances. So create our master material. It's very simple, like creating ordinary material. Just right click on the empty space, choose material. Let's name it master material. Okay, now we will add some color to it. It's wrong. Node, constant 3 vector, connected with the base color slot. And let's choose the color. Maybe it's right. So our master material is ready. We need to create material instance. To do so, right click on the master material and choose create material instance. Let's name it instance 01. When we open it, it's just simple material instance without any parameters that we can change. Now we have to go to the master material and let's change this node to the parameter. Right click and click convert to parameter. Now let's change the name. Let's go to material instance. Now you can see that we have new parameter. We can activate it. And double clicking on the color bar, we can change the color from the palette. Yes, our first material instance is ready. We have 4 models. Now we can duplicate the material instance. That's every material instance has a different color. Here will be green, this one will be yellowish, and this one will be, I don't know, orange. Let it be. Okay, now we can apply our material instances to the model. Click first one, drag and drop here the material, click next one, model, and drag and drop material, and so on. Now every model has its own material instance, its own color. We would like to add another parameters to the material master. We would like to see more shining on the models. So let's open master material. And we need to add new parameter, constant, connect the node with the roughness slot here, and right click and convert to parameter. Let's name it roughness. Okay, when you click on the node, you have this section. We can make very nice and comfortable slider for this parameter. We have to set the maximum value. It will be 1. Minimum value, it will be 0. And default value, let's say 0.3. Let's save master material. And let's go to background instance. You can see that we have some blink of lights here, so material is much more shiny. Let's open the first material instance. You can see that we have new parameter. You can activate it and slide the value a bit to make it more shiny, very shiny, or more matte. It depends on you. Let's go to next one. This will be very matte, 100%. Next one will be more like plastic or rubber. And the last one, that'll be something in between. Okay. As we can see, every model has different shining value. But now we can add another parameters. I would like see more metallic reflection of the materials. So let's open master material. We do the same thing. Constant. Let's connect it to the metallic slot here. Convert to parameter. Let's name it metalness. It's the same situation like with this previous node. We can create slider. The slider maximum value will be 1, minimum 0, and default, let's say 0.2. Yes, let's play a bit. You can see that we have new parameter that we can change. Now it's looking very shiny, very metallic shiny. Let's go to next one. It will be more metallic, but more matte. Next one is 100% metal, like gold and very shiny. Yes. It's more like brass or something like that. Yeah, it's very smooth and very shiny. And the last one will be completely matte. Its own material with its own parameters. But now we will add textures to the material master. I prepared before some memorable samples. So let's open the material master. We need to take one textures. It can be the first one, drag and drop. And we need to replace the old color node with new texture node. We connect it to the base colors. We can save it. Now we can see that every model has the same marble texture. But we would like to have possibility to change it in every material instance. To do so, we have to right-click on the texture and convert it to the parameter. Let's name it marble texture. We have to save it. And let's open first material instance. Activate, drag and drop. Next one, open material instance. Take the next one, the texture sample. Activate, drag and drop. Next model. Activate. Choose the texture, drag and drop. And the same with the last one. Okay, now we have to play a bit with the parameters to make it look more realistic. Definitely more shining marble. This one will be made. This one will be a bit shiny. And the last one. Yeah, we can keep it a bit shiny as well. Okay, so every model has its own texture, but now we would like to change the tiling. To make it, we have to open the master material again. Right click on the empty place and choose the texture coordinate node and connect it to the UV slot in the texture node. When we click on the texture coordinate node, we can choose the values. So I will show you how it works. So let's change it to the 10 and this one to 10 as well. Now we can see that UV tiling is changed. But in these settings, we cannot change the tiling separate for every model. To make it possible, we have to choose the multiply node, connect it with this UV slot here, and connect this slot with a value, and we need constant node. Now we can convert it to the parameter, and let's name it UV tiling. And one important thing, UV tiling cannot have zero value. So maximum value, let's do 20, minimum 0.1, And default value, let it be 5. Let's save the master material. We can see that the tiling is changed. We have to open material instances. We can see that we have new parameter that we can change, UV tiling. And let's play a bit. So I hope I showed you how to work with material and material masters and material instances. Of course, this is just a very beginning what is possible to make with them. And I hope you enjoyed the rest.